Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. If that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. If that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. If that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cotton ball. If that cotton ball turn over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. If that dog named Rover don't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. If that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little boy in town. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Daddy loves you and so do I. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Daddy loves you and so do I.
I promise not to let you down, to always keep you safe and sound. I promise you. Everything is different now. I'm just trying to figure out life with you. I'll chase the monsters from the closet before bed, and gently sing you to sleep. And you're the light in my eye. You bring joy to my life. My world revolves around you now. Emmy, you make us both so proud of all the things you do. Just like a new day, you bring change, a miracle in so many ways. If only you knew, if only you knew. I'll chase the monsters from the closet before they chase them away. Gently sing you to sweet dreams. Emerson, Emerson, you're the light in my eye. Emerson, Emerson, you bring so much joy to my life. I've never felt a love like this before. You fill my soul into your door. You slow. Every